of course, I'm starting a video all dirty like this, but I'm a farmer, so it's okay. Hi to all the farmers. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to introduce the new video series. This playlist is dedicated to the farm Stato Brado. This is my farm and a lot of things happen here every day. So we'll try to make a series of videos listing and telling you about all the steps. Now let's do a quick summary of what my farm is and where it comes from. My farm started in 2022. We wanted to grow vegetables, the best vegetables possible, to offer them to others, to all the neighbors, and especially to our first customers, who were the restaurants who asked us for very special vegetables. Today we have an olive grove, our vineyard, where we make excellent wine, and all the land that is constantly changing. In fact, we are working to make it fully productive. Horticola has a place you can visit, where you can hold events, where you can get your hands dirty, always keeping our core, which is vegetables, 365 days a year. And where are we going to do everything? A field of flowers, more than 5,000 flowers, because we want to start experimenting with new crops as well. Of course, last but not least, there are our animals, which are not productive, but they are still part of the farm, a real farm in every respect. So there were sheep, there are chickens, and I hope that geese will arrive too, because they're beautiful and we have to have them. Now, the life of a farm is always complex. We're small, but we really believe in what we do. So, if you're interested, I remind you to subscribe to the channel and the playlist right away so you won't miss any episodes. This is episode 0 of Stato Brado Farm.